But I want to film his face.
Yeah, but I want to see what he's doing. I want you to film his hand. Tyler, are you fishing?
You can see now. They're perfect.
Tyler, are you fishing? Touch the iPad. Get the fishies. Too close. Back up a little bit.
That's so cute how...
Alright, look at the fishies. Look at the fishies. Get the fishies. And do this. Go like this. We're going to go fishing. Okay?
Let's play the game.
Get in the water. Alright, now do this.
Spin.
Look at a fish. You caught a fish. You caught a fish, Tyler.
Miracle over his face.
Amazing. Too close.
No, because everybody can see. What is that? Tyler!
What are you doing?